there lived a clever boy in the village called Tenali in South India. And the clever boy's name was Rama. And there was once a wandering sage who saw Rama and liked his look and clever ways. So the sage taught him a prayer and told him to go to the goddess Kali temple one night and recite these words 3 million times, and she would appear before him and would give him whatever he asked for. So Rama went to Kali temple, which was outside his village Tenali, and he did as he was told to do. When Rama did what he was told to do by the sage, the goddess appeared before him with a serval face and 2 hands. When Rama looked at her appearance, he wasn't frightened, but he began to laugh. Ha 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 ha! And the goddess got angry and asked him, why was he laughing at her? And Rama answered, "Oh mother, we humans have lot of trouble wiping our nose when we catch a cold. Though we have 2 hands and only 1 nose. If you with so many faces and if you catch a cold, how will you manage with the 2 hands for all those noses?" And he said this and he started once again laughing. Ha 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 ha. And the goddess became furious. She told that, "Since you laughed at me, you will be called, or you will be Vikatakavi, a jester." So Rama replied, "Oh, Vikatakavi, that's a terrific. It's a palindrome." And the goddess was pleased by the Rama's cleverness that he saw her joke even in the curse. She at once became calm and told, "You will be a Vikatakavi, but you will be a jester to a king." And she vanished. In this way, Tenali Rama became to live as a jester in the court of King Sri Krishna Deva Raya of Vijayanagar.